Question 6. If P of A is 1 by 4, P of B is 2 by 5, A union B is 1 by 2. Sorry, find the values of the following probabilities. A intersection B, six sum P of A काय आहे 1 by 4, P of B 2 by 5, P of A union B 1 by 2. You have to find out first P of A intersection B. A intersection B म्हणजे काय? A and B both. ओके, आता एक गोष्ट कायम लक्षात ठेवायची, जेव्हा पण एखाद्या सम मध्ये P of A, P of B आणि युनियन किंवा इंटरसेक्शन मधलं काहीतरी एक दिलेलं असतं, तेव्हा त्याला तुम्ही बाय डिफॉल्ट डिपेंडंट इव्हेंट्स कन्सिडर करायचं. आणि मग अशाला P of A इंटरसेक्शन B काय येईल? P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. That is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. This is 5 plus 8 by 20 minus 1 by 2. 13 by 20 minus 10 by 20. This is 3 by 20. See, this is not a formula given straightforward, but we have a formula A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. It is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So it is 5 plus 8 by 20 minus 1 by 2. Sorry, A intersection B नाही आपल्याकडे. So this comes to be 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 minus P of A intersection B. So I'll put it that side. P of A intersection B is equals to 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. This is 13 by 20 minus 10 by 20. Your answer is 3 by 20. Done? ये फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली नहीं दिया है, इस पर से इसको हम लोगों ने निकाला है. Then the next one, A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. Second case, A intersection B complement का मतलब क्या होता है? It means only A, not B. So A intersection B complement means P of A minus P of A intersection B. What is P of A? 1 by 4 minus 3 by 20. I'll multiply here by 5. So 5 minus 3 by 20, your answer is 2 by 20, 1 by 10. Next, A complement intersection B. P of A complement intersection B. त्याचा अर्थ असा असतो only B, not A. It is P of B minus P of A intersection B. It is 2 by 5 minus 3 by 20. We'll multiply it by 4. It is 8 minus 3 by 20. It's 5 by 20. Your answer is 1 by 4. Then P of A complement union B complement. P of A complement union B complement. P of A intersection B bracket complement. Using De Morgan's law, A complement union B complement का मतलब क्या होता है? At least none of one event occurs. दोनों में से कम एक इवेंट तो ऑकर ही ना हो. Okay, A complement union B complement is A intersection B bracket complement. This is 1 minus P of A intersection B. It is 1 minus 3 by 20. Answer is 17 by 20. P of A complement intersection B complement. Using De Morgan's law, this will be P of A union B bracket complement. It is 1 minus P of A union B. It is 1 minus 1 by 2. Your answer is 1 by 2. Getting this? Question number 7. A computer software company is bidding for computer program A and B. The probability that the company will get software A is 3 by 5. The probability that company will get software B is 1 by 3. And the probability that company will get both A and B is 1 by 8. What is the probability that company will get at least one software? 7. दो सॉफ्टवेयर के लिए बिड कर रही है, कंपनी को सॉफ्टवेयर ए मिलेगा 3 by 5 है, कंपनी को सॉफ्टवेयर बी मिलेगा 1 by 3 है, और कंपनी को दोनों में से कोई एक क्या है, दोनों मिलेंगे. अब जब उन्होंने इंटरसेक्शन या यूनियन में से एक कुछ दे दिया है, तो आप इसे कंसीडर करोगे कि ये ए और बी एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट है कहीं ना कहीं. ओके, और हम लोग फॉर्मूले वही यूज करेंगे. मैं आपको डिफरेंस भी बता दूंगी क्या है फॉर्मूले का. ये फाउंडेशन में होता है, but I'll tell you here also, so you will understand it. Now we want probability that they get at least one A or B. So we want this. P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8. 9 plus 5 by 15 minus 1 by 8. 14 by 15 minus 1 by 8. Can you solve this? Cross multiply करो. 14 into 8, 112 minus 15 upon 120. It's 97 upon 120. This is the probability that they will get at least. Whenever they say at least, it is union. Let us understand these concepts. बहुत ही आसान है ये कंसेप्ट. ये आपको फाउंडेशन में ज्यादा सीखने को मिलेंगी, लेकिन मैं इधर इसको इंट्रोड्यूस कर देती हूँ. ये फाउंडेशन में ये शॉर्टकट साबित होता है टू सॉल्व दीज फॉर्मूलाज. अगर ए और बी इंडिपेंडेंट है, मतलब for its occurrence or non-occurrence, it's not dependent on another event. Then probability of A intersection B in case of independence is probability A into probability of B. But in case of dependent, it is not so. It is P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Here, probability of A intersection B complement is P of A into P of B complement. Here it is P of A into P of B complement is given as P of A minus P of A intersection B. P of A complement intersection B is P of A complement into P of B. P of A complement intersection B is P of B minus P of A intersection B. ये डिफरेंस ध्यान में रखना। यहाँ पे ये इंडिपेंडेंट है तो यहाँ पे ये फॉर्मूले अलग है। ओके, बाकी सारे फॉर्मूले सेम है, बस इंडिपेंडेंट डिपेंडेंट में ये अलग है। ए यूनियन बी का मतलब क्या है? ऑकरेंस ऑफ एटलीस्ट वन इवेंट A intersection B of both events, A complement intersection B, occurrence of only B, A intersection B complement, occurrence of only A. Yes, we should remember this. अब जब भी सम में आपको ए बी और इंटरसेक्शन या यूनियन में से कुछ भी एक दिया होता है तो आप उसे डिपेंडेंट ट्रीट करो, और कुछ भी, और अगर सिर्फ ए और बी दिया है तो आप उसे इंडिपेंडेंट ट्रीट करो, एंड देन यू विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला। ये कहीं पे भी लिख के नहीं दिया है, ये शॉर्टकट है प्रोबेबिलिटी का, ये फाउंडेशन में ज्यादा काम आएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, a card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of it being heart or a queen. Heart, there are 13 cards for heart. One card we can draw in 13C1 upon 52C1. 13 by 52, that is 1 by 4. This is the probability of a heart card. We have to draw one card out of 52 cards. In how many ways can we do this? 52C1, that is in 52 ways. Okay. Now, in how many ways can we draw a heart card? A heart card can be drawn in 13C1, that is in 13 ways. So what is the probability of drawing a heart card? 13 by 52, that is 1 by 4. Okay, फिर next, queen. How many queen cards we have? There are 4 queen cards, of which one card can be drawn in 4C1 way, that is in 4 ways. So we can draw queen card in 4 by 52. I will keep it as it is, I will not simplify, क्योंकि 52 एक कॉमन है। अच्छा, एक कार्ड है जो क्वीन भी है और हार्ट भी है। ओके, सो H इंटरसेक्शन Q 1 by 52. Yes. So P of H union Q is 13 by 52 plus 4 by 52 minus 1 by 52. That is 17 minus 1 by 52, 16 by 52. This is 4 by 13. Because you want a card to be either heart or ace. Either or matlab union. In a group of students, there are 3 boys and 4 girls. 4 students are to be selected at random from the group. Find the probability that either 3 boys and 1 girl or 3 girls and 1 boy is selected. Okay. हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स कितने हैं? 3 बॉयज और 4 गर्ल्स है। 3 बॉयज 4 गर्ल्स, टोटल हमारे पास है 7 लोग। 7 लोगों में से 4 को सिलेक्ट करना है। 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 upon 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 35. Okay, then 4 students are to be selected at random from the group. Find the probability that either 3 boys and 1 girl or 3 girls and 1 boy is selected. The total number of selection is 35. We want 3 boys and 1 girl or 3 girls and 1 boy. Either or. So 3 boys, 3 में से तीनों boys or 4C1. This is 1 into 4, that is 4. Or 3C1 into 4C3. 3 into 4, that is 12. So in all, I can select either one of them in 16 ways. Probability will be 16 by 35. Yes, I'll again explain. हमारे पास 3 boys और 4 girls है. टोटल है 7 लोग. 7 लोगों में से 4 की कमिटी बनानी है. 7C4 में सिलेक्ट होंगे वो 35 वेज में. ओके, अभी हमको प्रोबेबिलिटी ये चाहिए कि एक तो 3 बॉयज और 1 गर्ल हो या फिर 1 बॉय और 3 गर्ल्स हो. अब हम लोग कितने वेज में 3 बॉयज और 1 गर्ल को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं? 3 बॉयज में से 3 बॉय को कैसे सिलेक्ट करेंगे? 3C3 में. 4 गर्ल्स में से 1 गर्ल कैसे सिलेक्ट होगी? 4C1 में. 3C3 is 1, 4C1 is 4. This is 4. Then next, 1 बॉय सिलेक्ट होगा 3 बॉय में से और 3 गर्ल सिलेक्ट होंगी 4 गर्ल में से. 3C1 into 4C3, that is 12. Total is 16. Probability क्या होगी? 16 by 35. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
A very important concept, conditional probability. Let S be a sample space associated with given random experiment. Let A and B be any two events defined on sample space S. Then the probability of occurrence of event A under the condition that event B has already occurred, where event B is not equal to 0, that is probability. That is, B is not an impossible event, is called as conditional probability. Conditional probability is denoted as P of A by B. It means probability of occurrence of A when B has already occurred. Here, probability of B should not be 0, that is, B should not be an B is not impossible event. Okay. A by B असं रीड केलं जातं याला. P of A by B. P of A by B म्हणजे B झाल्यानंतर what is the probability that A will occur? See, if I say that A is event that you pass the exam and B is the event that you study for the exam. Okay. No, I'll just change the example. Suppose B is the event that you have passed the exam and A is the event that you have studied for the exam. And B has already occurred. That is, the exam has already, you have already passed the exam. Now you want to find out the probability that because you studied, you passed. That is how it is done. Okay. B झाल्यानंतर A व्हायची probability किती आहे? After B has occurred. That is called as conditional probability. Formula of conditional probability is A by B is P of A intersection B upon P of B. Even if I say P of B by A, then it is also P of A intersection B upon P of A. See the relation. या दोघांचं इंटरसेक्शन अपॉन दिस प्रोबॅबिलिटी. Then if I say P of A complement upon B is P of A complement intersection B upon P of B. P of A complement by B complement will be P of A complement intersection B complement upon P of B. P of A by B complement is P of A intersection B complement upon P of B complement. हे पण B complement आहे वरचं. Then P of B complement by A complement is P of A complement intersection B complement upon P of A complement. Whenever we are talking about conditional events, we assume them to be dependent and we will find out all these intersection wala probabilities using the dependent events. क्योंकि independent event कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि एक दूसरे पे depend करे ही, और ना ही ये जरूरी है कि वो ना करे. Actually, there is a test of independency here. ये भी foundation में है. If P of A by B is equals to P of A, then A and B are independent. अगर ये केस है तो P of A और B क्या है? Independent है. Okay? These are all very important formulas.